The Biden administration is moving forward with its next step to try to vaccinate millions of Americans.
Pharmacies will soon distribute shots. CBS 2's Dick Brennan here in studio with more on that development. Dick.
Well, Christina Maurice, health officials feel getting vaccinations into local pharmacies is just critical, in part because that's where people go, sometimes several times a week, and because they're so close to home.
Pharmacies are readily accessible in most communities, with most Americans living within 5 miles of a pharmacy.
The Biden administration is launching phase 1 of its retail pharmacy program for COVID-19 vaccinations. Starting on February 11th, the federal government will deliver vaccines directly to select pharmacies across the country.
This will provide more sites for people to get vaccinated in their communities, and it's an important component to delivering vaccines equitably.
Last week, the White House increased the amount of vaccine going to states 16%, and today they boosted the allocation another 5%.
To be clear, this is on top of the 10.5 million doses we will ship this week.
Several Walmart locations throughout Chicago began administering vaccinations. Local officials hope the access widens vaccines to members of underserved communities who are hesitant to get the shot.
So we're trying to convince not only take the test, but take the vaccine. It's better to be safe.
Congress is hoping to fast-track a COVID relief bill to boost vaccination funding. This is Donald Trump's impeachment trial is looming in the Senate next week. House impeachment managers are unveiling their strategy to convict the president. They say Mr. Trump was singularly responsible for the Capitol attack. The former president's legal team responded by saying that Mr. Trump's comments before the riot were protected free speech. Minority Leader Mitch McConnell says he'll hear all arguments.
Well, with regard to the former president, we're going into an impeachment trial next week. We're all going to listen to what the lawyers have to say and making the arguments and work our way through it.
Late this afternoon, the Senate confirmed Alejandro Mayorkas as the Homeland Security Secretary. Mayorkas becomes the first Latino and the first immigrant to lead the agency that will play a central role in the federal government's response to the pandemic. Christina Maurice.
Okay, Dick, thank you.
Thanks, Dick.